Samsung is unpacked ready. We are slowly but surely approaching the big launch of Samsung's next big thing, which is the Galaxy S24 series. While Apple is busy giving people a 60Hz display on the iPhone in 2023 and moving into 2024, Samsung is out there setting a new bar when it comes to the display on the entire Galaxy S24 series. As you may know, the S24 series will be 25% more brighter than the iPhone 15 lineup, coming at 2500 nits for all the S24 models. And guess what? According to this latest leak, Samsung is about to make things even better than ever. Previously, Samsung has always kept their LTPO display refresh rate technology exclusive to the S24 Ultra. Not only we get dynamic refresh rate in terms of usage, but we also get a massive improvements in battery life. But now things are changing, as Samsung could bring the LTPO display to the entire Galaxy S24 series, bringing massive and much needed improvement to the battery life, especially for the vanilla Galaxy S24 model. The LTPO panel will allow the refresh rate to go as low as possible to about 1 Hz, truly unlocking great battery life potential for the S24 and the S24 Plus. I have to say, Samsung is indeed going all out, and I mean all out, with the S24 lineup when it comes to the display. Not gonna lie, this might be the biggest display upgrade for the base Galaxy S24 model. Also in the news, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might have the best chip on any smartphone out there. According to Ice Universe, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a pretty beast of a chip, but not just that, it's gonna have the best efficiency of any mobile smartphone chip on the market, even beating the Apple A17 Pro chip, which is very strong, the strongest we have right now, but it struggles when it comes to keeping that sustained performance for a very long period of time. But seems like Qualcomm has figured it out with the 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip, again coming for all S24 Ultra models and all the regions. Along with the 8 Gen 3, Samsung will definitely bring their best cooling system to make sure we get the best performance without any compromise. Now, speaking of no compromise, Samsung might be implementing their new Zoom Anyplace image sensor technology with the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor. This was announced a week ago along with the Exynos 2400 chip that Samsung has enabled a new kind of zoom experience. This will allow users to capture photos from 1x to 4x of moving objects without any drop of image quality. This is done in addition to this new AI-based tracking technology which automatically follows and captures objects. I gotta say, Samsung will be unlocking the true potential of that 200 megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra, along with the latest image ISP upgrades that are coming with the next generation of chips. Plus, let's not forget Samsung's most controversial zoom move is also coming, as they implement a new 5x zoom that has a bigger sensor size as well as bigger aperture, potentially even beating the 10x zoom that we have on the S23 Ultra, but only time will tell because there are mixed opinion on that. Samsung definitely knows something that we don't. They are working on this, and we have to wait and see what they show off at the Unpacked event, which is likely going to place in the early half of January 2024, making it the earliest Galaxy S launch of all time. That's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.